Welcome back friends. In this chapter 3 we learn so many methods, also divisibility rules of numbers. Okay, આપણે આ ચેપ્ટર માં ઘણી બધી મેથડ્સ લર્ન કરી. Also we learn many divisibility rules. So to remember these methods and rules you need to revise the chapter number of times. તમારે એને બહુ બધી વાર રિવાઇઝ કરવું પડે. જો તમે એકવાર એને લખીને મૂકી દો તો પછી તમને યાદ રહેશે નહીં. Okay, so that's why you need to revise all the methods regularly. Okay, રોજ આ ચેપ્ટરની પ્રેક્ટિસ કરવાની, રોજ એક ટોપિક રિવાઇઝ કરવાનો. જેટલું વિડિયોમાં જોવો છો એટલું જ નહીં, બટ previous જે વિડિયો છે એ પણ રિવાઇઝ કરતું રહેવાનું. So today we will revise the method, some method that are find the factors of number. Okay, આપણે factors find કરતા શીખ્યા. So if the question is like that, find all factors of number of factors find करवाना. So you need to find in which table that number occur, that is 31st number. So 30 કયા ટેબલ માં આવે છે તે એ તમારે factors લખવાના. So you can write like this 1 into 30. Now it is possible to have 30 in a table of 2. Yes, 2 15s are 30. Now check the table of 3. Yes, 3 10s are 30. Now check the table of 4. Is it possible to have a 30 in a table of 4? No. Then 5. Yes, 5 6 are. Then check 5 in table check करो. अभी कौन check करवाना 6 no, but 6 is already there. So we need to stop up to 6. So what are the factor of 30? That is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and clear. Now next one 42. Factor of 42, again you can start with 1. 1 is the factor of all numbers. 1 42s are 42. Then it is also there in a table of 2 because last digit is 2. 21 2s are 40. Okay, આ factors યાદ રાખવા માટે તમને 1 to 25 સુધીના ટેબલ્સ યાદ હોવા જોઈએ અને બાકીના ટેબલ્સ જો બાકીના bigger number હોય તો તમારે ડિવાઇડ કરીને factors find કરવાના. ક્લિયર? But you must remember the table from 1 to 25. The regularly table revision करवाना है. So here 21 2s are 24, 42. Now 42. It is divisible by 3, means it is possible to have a 42 in a table of 3. For that you need to add the number 4 plus 2 6. And it is divisible by 3, means it is possible to have 42 in a table of 3. Okay, now next it is possible to have a 42 in the table of 4. No. Now check with 5. Not possible. 6. Yes, it is possible. 7 6 40. Now check the next table, that is 7, but 7 is already there. So factor of 42 will be 1 2 3 6 7 14 21 and 50. Now next method is find prime factors of following. Now here only factors is written and here in the question it is written prime factors. So if it is a prime factors, અહીંયા તમને જોવા મળશે કે આ બધા prime numbers નથી, means they are factors but they are not prime factors. Now we will find the prime factors. To find the prime factors we can start with 48. Check the first prime number that divide 48, that is 2. 24 2s are 48. Now next 12 2s are, next 6 2s are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. So what are the prime factor of 42? That is 48, that is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. Now next number is 72. You can see all the numbers are prime and if you multiply this you will get 48. It means these are the prime factors of number. 72 start with 2 because it is divisible by 2. 36 2s are. Now divide 36 with 2. 18 is also divisible by 2. Now 9 is not divisible by 2, so take next prime number, that is 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So prime factors of 72 will be 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, that is 8. 8 9s are 72. So these are the prime factor of 72. એટલે exam માં તમને question આપ્યો હોય અને કઈ method apply કરો, that you need to remember. If it is only written that find the factors, then you need to write this factors. If it is written write the factor using prime factorization, it means you need to write this method. Clear? Now next, find the HCF of following. Okay, to find the HCF means highest common factor. Highest common factor means you need to find the highest number that divide 54 and 72 both. બંનેને divide કરે એવો highest number find કરવાનો. That's why you need to find the factor of 54 and 72. 27 2s are 54. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Now 72. So we already found the factor of 72 in a previous example. 2 36 are, 2 18s are, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So factors of 54, that is 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3, and factors of 72, that is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, 3 multiply 3. Now you need to find the common number. 2 3 and 3. Here 2 one time and 3 two times is repeated, so you can write HCF. 2 multiply 3 multiply 3, that is 18. Means 18 is the maximum highest number that divides 54 and 70. Now next example, second 40 and 64. So here find the factor of 40. 2 times are 20, 2 5s are, and 5 ones are 5. Now 64, 32 2s are, 16 2s are 32, 2 8s are, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are. So factor of 40, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 5, and factor of 64, 6 times. So what will be the LCM? HCF 2 2 and 2. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, that is 8. Means 8 is the highest number that divide 40 and 64 both. Clear? Now next example, find the LCM of following. Also we learn on LCM in the previous video. ગયા વિડિયોમાં આપણે LCM learn કરેલું. So here first LCM is lowest common multiple. Means અહીંયા આપણે શું કરીએ છીએ કે એવો નંબર ફાઇન્ડ કરીએ છીએ જે બંને નંબરને ડિવાઇડ કરે. In LCM we are finding the number that divisible by all three numbers. Okay, so LCM means lowest common multiple. Multiple means the number that comes in the table. Okay, so here 8 12 20. To find the LCM we need to write this method. 2 4s are 2, 8 is divisible by 2, so it is 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12, and 2 10s are 20. Now again all three numbers are divisible by 12, 2, so 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. Again it is divisible by 2, 2 1s are 3, and 5 are divisible. Now 1 3 and 5 not divisible by 2, so take next prime number, that is 3. So 3 1s are 5 as it is 5. So what will be LCM? 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. 3 5s are 15. 15 2s are 30. 30 2s are 60. 2s are 120. So 120 will be the LCM. Means 120 is divisible by 8. 120 is divisible by 12 and 120 is divisible by 20. That is the lowest common multiple. Now 20 and 21. So again 2 times 21 is not divisible, so 21 as it is. 2 5s are 21 as it is. Now from both number none of them divisible by 2, so take next prime number 3. So 5 is not divisible by 3, but 21 is divisible by 3, so take 3. Now 5 and last 7. So LCM 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5 multiply 7. 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 30 2s are 60, 6 7s are 420. So answer will be 420, which is the LCM of 20 and 21. Now we will solve some word problem related to LCM and HCF. Okay, if the word problem is given, then how can you decide that we need to find LCM or HCF? Word problem આપ્યા હોય તો તમને કેવી રીતે ડિસાઇડ કરશો કે here we need to find LCM or HCF? So for that you need to find out the word. If it is the maximum, largest or highest, આવા કોઈ word હોય maximum, largest or highest, it means it is about the HCF. Okay, highest common factor. And if the word you found in a statement that is minimum, lowest, least, smallest, means you need to find the least common multiple, that is LCM. Okay, જો તમને maximum word હોય, highest word હોય, then you need to find HCF, and minimum, lowest, smallest word હોય તો તમારે શું find કરવાનું? LCM. Now first word problem is 2 tankers contain 850 liters and 680 liters of kerosene oil. Find the maximum capacity. Now you can see here maximum capacity of container which can measure the kerosene oil of both tanker when use exact number of time. Means here you need to find the capacity of that container. कंटेनर ની કેપેસિટી એવી ફાઇન્ડ કરવાની છે, મીન્સ ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ એક ટેન્ક બે ટેન્ક ભરેલા હોય, ઓકે, તો એમાંથી એવો કેપેસિટીનો આપણે કન્ટેનર ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું છે કે એક્ઝેક્ટ નંબર ઓફ ટાઈમ બંનેને મેઝર કરી શકે. મીન્સ યુ નીડ ટુ ફાઇન્ડ ધ નંબર that is divide both 850 and 680 exactly. ઓકે, એવો નંબર ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનો છે જે બંનેને એક્ઝેક્ટલી ડિવાઇડ કરે. That is HCF. HCF માં શું કરીએ કે એવો નંબર ફાઇન્ડ કરીએ કે જે બંને નંબરને ડિવાઇડ કરે. Here we need to find the maximum capacity of container. Container ની એવી કેપેસિટી ફાઇન્ડ કરવાની છે કે જે બંનેને એક્ઝેક્ટ નંબર ઓફ ટાઈમ મેઝર કરે. It means you need to find highest common factor. Okay, now HCF of 850 and 680. If we find HCF of 850 and 680, we will get the number that divide both exactly, and that is the capacity of container. Container ની capacity કેટલી હોવી જોઈએ? તો આ નંબરનો HCF ફાઇન્ડ કરીએ એટલે આપણને શું મળે? એવો નંબર કે જે બંનેને ડિવાઇડ કરે. That will be capacity of container. So here also you can see there is a word maximum. Maximum means it is the highest common factor. So divide with 2. 850 is divisible by 2 because last digit is 0. 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s. Now this number is not divisible by 2, so check with 3. Not divisible by 3 because 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 5 11, and 11 is not divisible by 3. So next number is prime, that is 5. 85. Now 85 is divisible by 5. 17 is a prime number, so 17 ones are 17. Now 680, 340, 170. Divide 340 with 2, you will get 170. Now again divide with 2 because last digit is 0. 85, 5 17 5s and 17 1s. So what will be HCF? You can write 850 factor is 2 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 17, and 680 will be 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 5 multiply 5 17. So 17, 5 and 2. 2 multiply 5 multiply 17, that is 'So what will be the capacity of container? 170. 170 divide 850 and 680 exactly. That's why it is the capacity of container that measure both kerosene of both container exact number of time. Now next, again मैं તમને સમજાવું કે જ્યારે પણ વર્ડમાં if in a word problem that is a word maximum, largest, highest, then you need to find HCF. And if the word minimum, smallest, lowest is that, you need to find LCM. So here, in a morning walk, 3 persons step off together. The step measure 80 cm, 85 cm and 90 cm. What is the minimum distance each should walk so that all can cover the same distance in complete step? તમારે શું ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું છે કે કેટલું મિનિમમ ડિસ્ટન્સ એ લોકો કવર કરશે કે ભલે એમના સ્ટેપ્સ અલગ છે બટ એમનું ડિસ્ટન્સ સેમ આવે. ફોર ધેટ યુ નીડ ટુ ફાઇન્ડ LCM. સો હિયર LCM of 80, 85 and 90. Now 2 40s are 85 is not divisible by 2. 45 2s are 90. 2 20s are 85, 45 as it is. 2 10s are, because 20 is divisible by 10, 85 is not divisible by 2, and 45 as it is because it is also not divisible by 2. 10 is again divisible by 2, so we start with 2. 85, 45 as it is. Now, none of this number divisible by 2. So check it with 3. Is there any number that is divisible by 3? So 5 plus 8, 30. So it is not divisible by 3, but 45 is divisible by 3. Again 15 is divisible by 3. Now 5. 5 ones are 1, 1, 1. So here you need to find the multiplication of 2, 2. So, if you multiply this number, you will get 12,240, which is the lowest number that is divisible by 80. 12,240 is divisible by 85, and 12,245 is divisible by 90. Means this much distance they should be covered when the steps are different. એ લોકો અલગ અલગ મેઝરમેન્ટ થી ચાલે છે, બટ આટલું ડિસ્ટન્સ કવર કરશે ત્યારે એ લોકો સેમ ડિસ્ટન્સ મીન્સ સેમ ડિસ્ટન્સ કવર કરશે. મીન્સ ભલે એ લોકોના સ્ટેપ્સ અલગ અલગ છે, બટ આટલા ડિસ્ટન્સ પર એ લોકો સેમ કવર કરશે. Now next, example 14. Find the least number which when divided by, you can see here the number least number, that means LCM. When divided by 12, 16 and 20, 12, 16, 24 and 36 leaves a remainder 7 in each case. So first of all we need to find the LCM of 12, 16, 24 and 36. 24 and 36. 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16, 12 2 are 24, 18 2s are 36. All four numbers are divisible by 2. 6 2s are 8 2s are 16, 12 2s are 24, 18 2s are 36. Now again 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 9s are 18. Again start with 2. 3 is not divisible by 2, 4 is divisible by 2, 2 2s are 2 3s are 9 as it is. Again this 2 is divisible by 2. So 1, 3 and 9. Now 3, 3 1s are 3, 1 as it is, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. 3, 1, 1, 1 and 1. So LCM will be 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, 3 multiply 3, that is 142. But it means 144 is the number that is divisible by 12, 144 is the number that is divisible by 16, 144 is the number that divisible by 24 and 144 is the number that divisible by 36. Divisible by number, it means it gives the remainder 0. 144 એવો નંબર છે જે આ બધાથી ડિવાઇડ થાય અને રિમાઇન્ડર 0 થાય. Divisible means what? It is divide by 0, divide by that number and gives the remainder 0. But here the remainder is 7. હવે 144 એવો નંબર છે જે રિમાઇન્ડર 0 આપે છે. આપણે એવો નંબર ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનો છે જેમાં રિમાઇન્ડર 7 આવે. That's why we can write remainder is 7. So number is 144 plus 7. If we add 7 in 144, it always gives the remainder 7 when it is divisible by 12 or 16 or 24 or 36. If we get answer, that is 153, 151. So 151 is the number that gives the remainder 7.